Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play custom maps on Left 4 Dead 2 multiplayer. First, open your Steam client and navigate to the Left 4 Dead 2 Community Hub. From there, click on the Workshop tab. You can browse thousands of custom campaigns and maps created by the community. Simply click the Subscribe button on any map you wish to play. This action automatically downloads the necessary files to your game, usually within a few moments. Once your custom maps are downloaded, launch Left 4 Dead 2 from your Steam library. On the main menu, select Play Campaign. Instead of choosing Official Servers, you will need to select Host Local Server. This option allows you to create a private game lobby where you have full control over the map and game settings. It is the essential first step for playing any custom content with friends. After hosting your local server, you will see the campaign selection screen. Look for the Add-on Campaigns section, usually located below the official campaigns. Your subscribed custom maps will appear here. Simply click on the custom map you wish to play. Before starting, you can adjust various game settings, including difficulty, game mode, and server options, ensuring a tailored experience for your group. With your custom map selected and settings configured, it is time to invite your friends. Open the Steam overlay by pressing Shift+Tab. From your friends list, right-click on their names and select Invite to Game. Remember, for everyone to join and play successfully, each friend must also be subscribed to the exact same custom map in the Steam Workshop. Now, you are ready to enjoy countless hours of new content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.